bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kalissa, and today I'm going to be doing a super quick and easy eyelash tutorial to put on eyelashes, and it's going to be featuring the new Baddie B lashes. These lashes are bomb nonetheless, and shout out to you, girl, for being a true Latina, making some really pretty lashes. I put on these, what was it, today is Tuesday. I put these on Sunday, and a lot of the hairs actually fell out of this, so that's the only thing that I don't like. These are my first times using mink eyelashes, so I'm not sure if that's like a thing that happens. I actually should have done more research because I didn't know that they were mink lashes, because mink lashes kind of like, I don't know, creep me out a little bit, I guess. If you guys want to see me demoing these lashes and showing you how to put on lashes the super quick and easy way, keep on watching. So the first tip I have is to put on mascara before you put on your lashes. My favorite mascara is the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara by L'Oreal Paris. This one is the waterproof version, and I always put this on before I put any of my lashes. I don't put mascara on my lashes unless I absolutely need to, which is almost never. It just ruins your lashes. Another tip for putting on mascara, don't put on a lot of mascara so that it looks super clumpy. That's not the purpose of you putting on mascara. The purpose of you putting on the mascara is just to make your lashes black and have a little bit of volume and a little bit of grip, but you don't have to put like full coats of mascara and then go in with an eyelash. That doesn't make any sense. And I also like to put some on my lower lash line too. And don't worry, the tutorial that you're going to see after this one is going to be on this look. So the second tip that I have is to get glue. My favorite glue is the Duo glue. I find that it doesn't react to my skin at all, and I always have them in clear and in black. This I use on an everyday basis, and then this is what I use if I do black eyeshadow or I have black wing liner. So the one that I'm going to be using today is the clear one, of course. So that is my second tip. And then my third tip is definitely you need tweezers. You got to be super careful with tweezers, but any tweezers or lash applicators are going to be your best friend when applying lashes, because it just makes your life so much easier. I only got 2 pairs of the lashes. They're $20, pretty pricey, but I think they are really nice, and I love the magnetic closure, like, and the holographic box, so dope. Is Baddie. These are the ones that I'm going to be putting on today, and this is the other ones that I got, which are Instaho. When you're taking out your lashes, never actually pull on the hair with your thumb, just like that, and then take them out. Never pull on the hair, because you're just going to pull out the hair from the lash. And then make sure that you measure them and you cut the lashes to however much you need to cut them. You always cut them from the outer corner, like the lashes, however they look in the box is how you have to put them. The inside is the inner corner, the outside are the outer corners, so that when you put your eyelashes back, you put them in, you know, in the right spot. I've already measured these. All you do is you just put them on the eye, and if they look too long, you cut them from the outside, never the inside, always the outside. I'm going to use the Duo glue, and all you have to do is, I like this one also because it comes with this. Make sure you put enough for the inner corner and the outer corner. What I usually will do is I'll put the glue first, and then I'll put my mascara so that the glue can get tacky, because the tip for lashes is that you can't put the glue and then automatically put them on your eye, because the glue is really wet and it's like liquid. It's gonna slide everywhere. It's gonna be like water, and then it's gonna mess up your whole eye look. You're gonna be so freaking upset. Don't do it. You have to wait at least, everybody says 30 seconds, but honestly I feel like you have to wait at least kind of like a minute so that it can dry and get sticky, super sticky, so that when you put it on your lash, boop, it just stays there, doesn't go anywhere. My tweezers, and hold them through the middle. See that? Stick it through the middle. shit. You know what's happening is that I have glue on my tweezers. Make sure your tweezers are clean. On. Now I'm just going to secure the inside and secure the outside. Guys, that is it. Super quick, super easy eyelash tutorial and how to. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Make sure that you guys click the notification bell in order to be notified of when I post new videos, and then make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that my little Bembas have a blessed day.